Okay, woken up early again. We set off at 1:45. We've got here now. I don't know what time it is, but it feels really early. And now we're going to hike for 2.5 hours, I think. I've got my breakfast here. And then hopefully see some cool volcano stuff.
Yesterday, the rocks there. Oh iya, kadang kita dapat sehari, 2 hari. Kadang ya rezekinya bagus tiap hari dapat dulu. Kadang 1 minggu. Bisa-bisanya kita ya.
That for a second.
Of course we can. Can we see? Oh, there we go. Here we go. It's pretty crazy. There we go, made it to the crater. Probably can't see me, but there we go. Look at the people.
Can you take a photo?
Santai nih gini, habis komentar gini.
Made it to the blue fire. Now I gotta brave it back through the smoke. You see some crazy sulfur there. Look at this. That's the sulfur. Pluming away. Can't see anything though. Gotta get out quick. My man's mining a sulfur. Easy. Okay then, made it. All the way down, all the way back up again. I'll stay facing this way. It's a nice view. We're in the crater. It's just about to be sunrise. We saw the blue fire. We saw the sulfur miners. Loads of sulfur being carried up this pretty treacherous path. Now we're going to see a sunrise over the blue lake of Ijen. Down. Okay, there we go. Better you're gonna get. Okay. Look at that. I think this is the end of the day. We're gonna finish here. Pretty much completed the volcanoes now. Collected a few pieces of sulfur for gifts, so they don't try and stop me importing that into the UK. We'll see. I think it should be fine. I've disregarded my gas mask now because it's too difficult to breathe in it, to be honest. It's only a little bit of hydrogen sulfide, I'll be fine.
Hi.
Hello.
Gojek.
There's lots of people offering taxi rides around where they push you down the hill or up the hill. Seems really tough. It's quite a steep hill.
Ikan buru boy, sabi ni kak.
That guy doing it there.
Which guy? On the top?
Standing in that cave.
I have no idea. Oof. Remnants of a recent eruption, I imagine. This is the highest I've ever been up in my entire life, I think. It's about 3,000 meters up, and looks pretty stunning. We're above the clouds by a way. Air's pretty thin. It's really difficult to do this hike. Yeah, stunning sunrise. Would 100% recommend Ijen if anyone comes to East Java. Really, really good. Now the rest of the day is pretty much into the ferry port, and that's going to take me to Bali. And then an English lady on our tour has kindly organised a van, and that van's going to take me to Canggu or Canggu. I don't know. Getting crazy Vietnam vibes.
Where is everyone?
Look at this. Going to catch the boat. Just missed that one. Drawbridge is up. So, that's Bali. And for some reason they haven't built a bridge yet, and we've got to get a boat. It's all good. Bit of fun. Bad news is that we've got to wait about 3 hours for our person to arrive to take us to the next place. We've been told the wrong time. Made it. The roof does not fit people of normal size, but it's air conditioned, loads of seats, and a cafe. Made it to Bali. Success. I'm going to sleep. The end of this one. Bye.